Okay, everybody, so we are officially finishing up day 3, the last of the days of hell. 3 days in hell for a lifetime in heaven. That's the mantra for us water fasters. Now, finishing up today is a benchmark. A 3-day thing is pretty substantial for a lot of people. A lot of people have trouble making it the first 3 days. So let's just get straight into the exercises, and then we're going to add a new one, and it's going to be right on. That was fun. So, today we're going to add some shoulders into our little regimen here. Now, for those of you that don't actually have weights at home or dumbbells or whatever, you can use a backpack with weight in it. You can use a purse if it's heavy enough. It needs to be at least 10 to 15 pounds. If you're really strong, you can use your baby. Ha! So, what you're going to do is you're going to bring your arms to a forward, like so, and then back down. Okay, we're going to go for 25 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right. Now, for those of you counting, you'll notice that I did 5 more push-ups today than yesterday, bringing me up to 20 for my set. And I just did the same 25 squats as always. That's plenty for what we're doing here. I also do my 10 miles of walking every day. I'm late tonight doing the video because it rained most of the day. I had to wait for the rain to get out so I could go do my few hours of walking. But that'll do it for day number 3. Check back with us tomorrow for day 4 and the first day in the lifetime of heaven.